Alright, me and my auntie just bought a whole bunch of snacks. First thing we're gonna try is this cookie from Cinnabon.
You gotta put it up there so they can see what it is. Why are you looking at me like that?
That smells nice.
It smells nice. That's a giant cookie.
Take your first bite.
Lord. You gonna eat this whole thing, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
You didn't. Cheers.
It's good.
That is probably the driest cookie. Are you kidding me? I know that's not. Here you go, baby. You want it?
I'm gonna go cook the next item.